Ever wondered how to make the perfect cup of tea? The art of tea brewing is indeed a fascinating journey, a blend of science and tradition that results in a delightful beverage. A perfectly brewed cup of tea is just steps away, and today we'll explore the process together. First, the selection of tea is crucial. The world of tea is vast and varied, from the robust black teas to the delicate green teas, the fragrant oolong teas, and the soothing herbal teas. Each one comes with its unique characteristics and origins, and knowing these is part of the charm of tea brewing. Once you've chosen your tea, the next step is determining whether you're using loose-leaf tea or tea bags. Loose-leaf tea often provides a more nuanced flavor profile, but tea bags offer convenience and consistency. Either way, the key is ensuring a good tea-to-water ratio. A general rule of thumb is 1 teaspoon of loose-leaf tea or 1 tea bag for every 8 ounces of water. Next, we turn our attention to water. The temperature of the water can significantly affect the tea's flavor. Black and oolong teas generally require boiling water, whereas green and white teas need slightly cooler water. Overheating can lead to bitterness, so it's essential to get this right. A simple electric kettle with temperature control can be a great tool for this. Now it's time for the infusion. The brewing time varies depending on the type of tea. Black teas usually require about 3 to 5 minutes, while green teas need a shorter time, typically around 2 minutes. Herbal teas can take a bit longer, up to 7 minutes. But remember, these are just guidelines. Experimenting to find your perfect brew is all part of the fun. And there you have it, the perfect cup of tea, served hot and ready to be enjoyed. Whether you're starting your day, taking a break, or winding down in the evening, a well-brewed cup of tea can be a moment of peace and pleasure in a busy day. But what if you prefer your tea on the cooler side? Iced tea is a refreshing alternative, especially during the summer months. Making flavorful iced tea concentrates or cold brew infusions can add a refreshing twist to your tea brewing journey. Remember, the process of brewing tea is flexible and personal. It's about finding the balance that suits your palate, whether it's the type of tea, the brewing time, or the temperature of the water. So go ahead, explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the journey and the tea. In summary, brewing the perfect tea involves selecting the right tea using the correct tea-to-water ratio, getting the water temperature right, and infusing the tea for the appropriate amount of time. And if iced tea is more your style, consider making concentrates or cold brew infusions. But above all, remember that tea brewing is a personal journey, one that's meant to be savored just like the beverage itself. Happy brewing!